to the custody of Bindu Dara Singh. He has now been sent to judicial custody is what we understand at this point, and it's till the 14th of June. Bindu Dara Singh, remember, his custody case was coming up today because his police custody was ending. What we understand is now the court has sent them to judicial custody till the 14th of June. And this is not just limited to Bindu Dara Singh. We also understand that Gurunath Mayappan and Prem Taneja have also been sent to judicial custody till the 14th of June. Now remember, the probe is continuing both on part of Delhi police and Mumbai police. The Mumbai police, of course, would have wanted further extended police custody of Bindu Dara Singh, remember, because they had wanted to bring in front and all the three actors in this case, the important pegs in this case, that is Bindu Dara Singh, Gurunath Mayappan and a Chennai hotelier that we were talking about earlier on, Vikram Agarwal. They had wanted to bring all three together and question them, but now they have been sent to judicial custody. Vidya is joining us with more details. Vidya, will the police be unhappy that now they've been sent off to judicial custody and they have not got police custody any further on these people?
Well, Mumbai police did seek Guru's further custody. They could not have sought some more custody for Bindu since his 14 days of police custody was already over. Let's speak to Prem Taneja's advocate who was there in the court. So what did exactly the police say when they were pleading for more time for Guru?
Even today the police have with the same grounds that many accused of which are wanted in this case are still to be arrested, and they want to get their address and everything. But as if the under 167(2), the 14 days of the police custody were over, so court did not plead to grant them any judicial any PC for accused number 7, 8 and 9. And for 10 again they have come with the same ground. But always the police was saying that the 9 and 10 were in contact. They have never come with the idea.
You are talking about 9 and 10, that is Bindu and Guru.
Guru, yeah, Bindu and Guru. During the Gurunath remand, they have never said the Guru was also in connection with any of the bookie. That was the ground argued by the Abad Ponda, who is appearing for him. So in that respect also, Guru was given JC today. All the accused have been granted JC by the court at this moment.
So what's really happened is that Bindu, since he was being already sent to judicial custody, since his custody was already over for 14 days that a police can maximum have his custody for, that's the reason even Guru, since his custody was not really over, but the fact that the police had been saying for the last many days that they needed both these people together to for them to be interrogated, but it's already Bindu was being sent to the police custody, so his further custody could not be given.
All right, Vidya, also the police had wanted to confront Gurunath Mayappan, Bindu Dara Singh and also the Chennai hotelier Vikram Agarwal. Now, that bit for the police has been left. Do they feel that that could have come in handy to put the pieces of this whole jigsaw together?
Well, certainly, Maha. In fact, the police had been all along been saying that, what they wanted really was some more bit of interrogation that they could do with Guru, and for the last so many days they had been saying Bindu, Guru, even Tinku who had been brought, apart from also the fact that there were few more bookies who were being arrested from Goa, from Pune and other lot of places. All these people need to be confronted with each other, but the fact remained that yes, Mumbai police did not really have a case where Guru was talking to actually bookies. He had only been talking to Bindu and he had been confronted, these two people had been confronted for the last many days. And that's the reason no further custody could really be given.
Vidya, many thanks for getting us those details.